Hello, today I will tell you about the best service in top payment category. After trying many programs in this category, I found the best option. I have been making over $30,000 a month with this service and have been using it for 5 years now. It is a very versatile and highly effective assistant. In this short video, I will reveal to you some very useful secrets that few people know about, but which make it really the best in the top payment category. It's about Volusion. I will leave a link to the official website under this video. Let's not waste time and get started.
Volusion is an e-commerce platform that is one of the very first website builders. Volusion is known all over the world. It provides every tool you need to build, manage, and expand your online store, along with various advanced features that make Volusion one of a kind. Volusion comes with everything you need, from various pricing options to design, SEO optimization, and more. Here are just a few of the best Volusion e-commerce features you should know about. Abandoned shopping cart. You will be able to see which customers have added a product to their cart but left it without payment. Then you can send emails to remind your customers of forgotten items in their shopping cart. Product video. This feature is very useful for those who need additional visual content. A wide range of different payment methods. With Volusion, your customers will be able to choose from some of the most popular payment methods, including PayPal, Amazon, Apple Pay, and more. POS system means point of sale or point of purchase that is used to complete transactions. Needless to say, like many other e-commerce platforms, Volusion strives to make features like payments as convenient and simple as possible. But the POS system is much more useful than you might think. You can easily connect it to credit card scanners, barcode scanners, and other payment-related tools. Volusion has recently been upgraded from version 1 to version 2, and I have to say that the new version is much better. In fact, I'm not the only one who thinks so. Now Volusion templates are more attractive and modern. I believe that the only problem is their number. Compared to other platforms, Volusion cannot offer the same number of templates to choose from for users. Volusion offers 11 free themes as well as 34 paid themes for $180 each. They look much better than they did before the version 2 update. Also, the templates are very specific. Therefore, if you don't find a theme that suits your business, you will have to opt for a non-industry oriented design. This is not a big problem, but far from ideal. Volusion lets you change templates at any time. This means you can change the look and feel of your online store without worrying about repopulating your content. In my opinion, site speed is one of the most important factors that have a strong impact on user experience. If your sites take a long time to load, then you may lose clients. After all, people are very impatient and are constantly in a hurry these days. It seems that with Volusion, you shouldn't have any problems with this. If you have problems with the speed of your site, there are several things you can do to fix them, like optimizing images. If you are using a high-resolution images that take up a lot of space, then you can hardly expect a fast page load speed. Therefore, think about what images are needed. Maybe some of them do not have any good reason for being on the site. Reducing the amount of animation. The animation takes up a lot of space, which results in longer page load times. Refusal to use rare fonts. Instead, use more popular ones like Arial and sans serif. Reducing the number of frames on one page. Use of a minimalistic logo and headline. There is no need to clog the top of the site too much. Volusion supports 40 credit card processors to suit everyone's needs. They also offer their own payment system, but only in the US. PayPal, bank transfers, cash, or even email check are accepted. One of the big advantages over the competition is that Volusion does not charge any transaction fees. Volusion allows you to redirect the checkout page to your own web domain. This is good for making your site look more reliable and professional. It also means you have more control over your conversion tracking analytics tools. Keeping track of products and inventory is easy thanks to Volusion's unique ID codes. You assign them to products and track sales and stock numbers. You can also create product variations. This is not as easy to do as it should be, since you need to create global parameters and then assign them to specific products, but if you do it several times, it comes more or less naturally. Here is a solid and flexible system. For example, shipping can be defined by country or worldwide. You can add taxes to shipping, estimate delivery times, or even charge by weight. Shipping options are free shipping, flat rate, and special rate. There is also a great real-time rate calculator that connects multiple carriers like FedEx, DHL, UPS, and updates. There is also a great real-time rate calculator that connects to multiple carriers like FedEx, DHL, UPS, and updates the exact cost of every purchase. You get a handy tax calculator that automatically adds US tax rates. You can of course cancel them and change taxes manually if you are not a US resident. Now that almost every detail about Volusion has been known, it is time to find out the prices of their services and in general whether they are worth it or not. Volusion offers a 14-day free trial and 5 plans. Personal $29 per month, professional $79 per month, business $299 per month, Prime. The more expensive the tariff plan you choose, the more privileges you get. The personal plan is great for newbies. You get one account and you can upload to 100 products. However, you will not get some features like ratings and reviews for your products, newsletters and promotions, import-export buttons, and much more. With the professional plan, you get 5 employee accounts and 5,000 items. Plus, you get additional features like mailing, import-export, abandoned card reports, phone orders, plus CRM system, and much more. If you choose the business plan, then you will get every feature possible on the platform, including an advanced report builder, offers of the day, and many other interesting features. Now, as for the user tariff plan, it is a little different from the others. You will need to choose everything you need yourself and pay for it accordingly. One thing that may come as a surprise to some is that you will need to pay extra money for SSL to protect your customers' data. I have to say that the price is definitely worth mentioning at $89.99. Thus, we can conclude that the cost of Volusion services is not cheap. I would say that this is the average price for e-commerce website building. As with all technology, you are bound to run into small problems. And for all of your Volusion solutions, you can schedule a call with their support team or simply call them from 7 a.m. to 10 p.m. CST. In true Volusion style, they want the experience to be personal. For each plan, except for the personal plan, there is 24/7 personal phone support. They also don't send emails because they want to help you through direct contact. However, if you're on a personal plan, you can only get help online. It also doesn't include social media, so don't tweet. In the end, I can say that Volusion's greatest strength is its features, which come with it. You can create an account and already have all the necessary tools. There is no need to purchase and install any additional extensions, add-ons, and the like. Using Volusion Analytics, you can monitor your business and thus grow it more efficiently. But more importantly, with product videos, you can present your products much better than with simple images. Also, with the abandoned shopping cart feature, you can remind your customers of their forgotten items and let them choose from a variety of different payment methods. What's more, Volusion has updated their designs from version 1 to version 2, which allows their templates to be much more modern and stylish than they were before.